Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello to Google Calendar, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Trello to Google Calendar, start by opening your Trello board. Click on the Show menu button on the right side of the screen. From the menu, select Power UPS. In the Power UPS window, search for Google Calendar. Click on Add to enable the Google Calendar power-up. After enabling the power-up, click on Settings next to the Google Calendar option. Make sure to click the Connect to Google Calendar button. A new window will pop up asking you to log in to your Google account. Enter your Google credentials and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, you can choose which Trello board events to display in Google Calendar. Select the specific lists in Trello that you want to synchronize with Google Calendar. You can also set additional options, such as assigning due dates to cards. After setting your preferences, save the changes to confirm your selections. Go to your Google Calendar and check for the new Trello calendar. You should see a new calendar populated with your Trello tasks based on your settings. For any updates in Trello, the Google Calendar will sync automatically. You can always return to Trello to adjust settings or disconnect from Google Calendar if needed. This connection allows you to have a seamless view of your tasks and deadlines across platforms. Now you can manage your projects more efficiently with Trello and Google Calendar integrated together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.